Okay, now I can move out of the way.
I couldn't fit into the schedule where the stitches would be out.
Hey, did you get warts? Yes. I have a friend that says he's got two warts on his dog. Okay. One on his head and one on its back, I think. And he said they're about the size of a pea or a little bigger. How does he get them off?
Well, if they're not bothering them, there's no reason to take them. But if they're bothering them, you actually size them down.
Yay! 52.66.
I see the cows.